In this video, I'm going to show you how a man came within hours of quitting his dream, only to discover that the moment you want to give up most is usually the moment right before your breakthrough. Ethan had one goal: to build a business that would free his family from years of struggle. He had the idea, the drive, the late nights, but nothing seemed to work. Every door slammed shut. Every maybe later felt like another no. After 4 years, he was broke, exhausted, and alone. One rainy night, he sat in his tiny apartment, staring at the computer screen. Unpaid bills. Empty inbox. Silence. He whispered, "Maybe this just isn't meant for me." He drafted a message to his investors, "I'm done." But something stopped him, a notification. It was an email from an old client he'd helped months earlier, when he was still hopeful. The client wrote, "Your advice saved my business. I just referred someone to you. They're looking for long-term work." Ethan almost ignored it. He was too tired to care. But he replied anyway, half-heartedly. That one reply turned into a conversation. The new client ended up being a major company, one that had been quietly watching him online. Within 2 weeks, he signed his biggest contract ever. And suddenly everything changed. Ethan later said, "The night I almost gave up was the night before my blessing." He realized something powerful. The moment you feel unseen, unheard, and unvalued is often the moment your consistency is being tested. He didn't need another miracle. He just needed one more step of faith. A year later, Ethan's business was thriving. He hired people who were just like he once was, tired dreamers on the edge of quitting. And he told them, "I'm not here because I never felt like giving up. I'm here because I didn't." So if you're watching this right now thinking of giving up, don't. Sometimes life tests your endurance right before it rewards your persistence. Hold on a little longer, because your breakthrough might already be typing that email.